Okay, so for more generalized hangout time, hi Puddin'. Now she's my hat. Ooh, I know. For more generalized hangout time, I like to have my back to the front door because that gives me a better view of the entirety of the loft. Nobody can get behind me, so I don't have to do any weird angle mess. So, it is removal day for the older of Bird's eggs. We're going to let her keep the other one until tomorrow, which would have been its hatch day if it were going to hatch. Excuse me. And it was candling day for both Hagrid and for Hagrid's only egg, and for Cody and Rigby's second. Unfortunately, Hagrid's is sterile. We think that her prodigious butt fluff may have something to do with that, so she got a breeding trim. It might be time to just go through and give all the ladies trims. Their little butt feathers grow back pretty quickly. They're down and not flights, so they're more frequently molted. Oh no, that Puddin'. She did not like the way I moved my head, so she bit the back of my neck and complained in my ear. Hi, Rigby. So we will in fact be expecting 2 squeakers from Cody and Rigby. That will be very interesting. Hello, Cookie. Cookie and Pippin have been trying all week for eggs, so I'm really, really hopeful that next week we'll have some. Especially since we are finally done with all vaccinations. With the exception of Loki, but we're done with all mass vaccinations. Loki is the last bird left who needs shots, and he will be getting his boosters next week. I believe the week after next he'll be available to go home, and we may have a home lined up for him. Fluffernutter's family is interested in him, which I'm okay with as long as they have a way to separate them. Fluff is a cock. Loki is an excessively aggressive cock who's never seen another pigeon in his life. Look at those good birds. I don't think there's an egg in there. I think they're still deciding what nest they want to officially claim. And, oh, there's a Sammy in a box. Is that Sammy's box? Yeah. Aww. I really do love watching pigeon courtship. It's just the cutest thing. And speaking of adorable things, Ellie is now preening the back of my neck. Hi, Bird. What you looking for? Oh. Did you want some straw? Oh. You did want some straw. And a feather. Where are you going? You found me. Oh no, did you lose your straw? And go get some more. Hi, Cookie. We're watching Bird forage. Oh, it's Bird. Oh, she found her some sticks. Oh, you found me. Pretty sure I'm not what you're looking for. Yeah, you found me. You can't go that way. Come around this other way. Oh, dropped him in disgust. I'm sorry, Bird. This is where I am now. What are you doing? You can't fit behind me, Bird. I'm still here. This is still where I am. I haven't moved. There you go. You've made it around me and into my lap. Hi, Bird. What are you doing? Boop. Puddin likes to preen my scalp, and it is legit one of the nicest things. Okay, you know I'm here. Are you just trying to build me specifically a nest? Or are you taking a regular route and just confused by the fact that I'm here? That's the angel statue. That's still the angel statue. Wrong box. There you go. She made it. Straw has been brought to the required destination. God bless you, Bird. It feels really nice, Puddin. Puddin just bees up here, cleaning my scalp while standing on it. Hi, Ellie. What are you up to, sweetie? What you doing? Excuse me. There's Hagrid on her eggs. Kara in her box. Oh, Puddin. Puddin trying to land on the camera. The camera is very narrow. This is not comfortable for little pigeon feet. Pigeons need flat perches. Like even my swings are square, because pigeons can't stand on round perches. It puts pressure in the center of their feet and it hurts. They're made to distribute their weight evenly through all four toes. Oh, welcome back, Bird. That is not an Escher on my head. Is that a Sony? I think that's a Sony. Nope. Oh, that was a Rigby. Hello, Puddin'. Welcome back. Would you like to get back in my lap? You're about to be run over by Bird. Blah. Oh. You've been blessed by a stretchy bird. Boom. So, here are the tentative establishments so far. Sissy and Valentine's still in their nest. I don't see PJ, but I know he and Escher like that one. You know, come to think of it, I haven't really seen PJ this morning. I wonder if he's sitting. Oh, he is sitting. Can I see if there's an egg? Will you good birds let me see if there's an egg? There is not. Thank you for letting me look. I'm sorry. Kara and Mia in their box. This space doesn't belong to either Rigby or Betty. They're just here. They seem to come and chill out together. Tandy and Emilio really like that one, but haven't officially chosen it yet. Papillon likes to guard these two boxes. Ellie wants this one, but Papillon often won't let her have it. Papillon, did you dig out a nest? No? Okay. Lily and Luxie like that center one. This is very Sammy's. This is usually Silk and Sony's, but they've also been going in this one. This is very Pippin's. And he's over here next to Cookie. They're officially a pair, and they're a pair I'm pretty excited about. That's Tandy's mother with our miracle super friendly feral. Oh, hi, Ellie. I'm gonna ease myself back down. And Cody's over there in his box on his eggs. Being the goodest dad. Vinny, what you doing? Vinny is attempting to woo that Cookie. Cookie will admit he's attractive, but she's not super interested. Some of those are snaps. Those are snaps. She is warning him away. From this angle it can look like nodding, but apparently she was trying to bite him. Vinny is confused. But he's so much bigger and sturdier than that little Pippin. And that little Pippin don't even give enough of a crap to try and fend him off. Cookie very firmly likes him better. Hi, Puddin'. Hi, Puddin'. I have a shoulder Puddin'. Hello. Hello, Puddin'. No. No, you don't get to bite my forehead. Come here. Don't bite me. Don't be a fuss muffin. You don't get to land on my shoulder and bite me. Biting my hand is one thing. That's okay. Can't try and bite my face. You tiny butt. This isn't biting, this is olive preening. But my face turned to look at her and it was too close. She didn't like it. So I've said on the advice blog a few times that a male pigeon coming and attacking you out of nowhere is a sign of affection because of how driving works. I also said that pigeons will definitely let you know when they're actually upset. And that noise you just heard before Puddin' bit me was her going, "No, you're too close. I don't like it." Hi, Bird. It's a bird on a mission. That sounds like an Emilio grunting, and yes it is. You can see Tandy grunting back at him. Oh, she's so fluffy and happy. I love them. I can't wait for babies. Hi, Puddin'. Hey, Puddin', can you walk up to my shoulder? And not just hang around on my arm? I see you keep trying to step up on it and sliding down. But I need to put this down now. I can't hold my arms up for long. It hurts and it's tiring. Need you to move if you're gonna. There's a girl. Oh, Bird's got another stick. Boop. Not the right box. That is the right box. That's a good girl, Bird. God bless her. So this actually ends up being a real incubation problem for her. Oh, that precious Puddin'. Puddin' is now allopreening my scalp again. It just freaked her out when my head turned in her direction. And she's right back to being lovey. Oh. That sound I'm making is a contented grunt. That's very encouraging for Pidge. Between adults, that expresses "this is nice." From an adult to a squeaker, it expresses "parent is here." I've got you. Peep is safe. Can also be a greeting between husband and wife. I have established myself basically as a flock auntie of a different species. So I have something very similar to a parent bond with practically everybody here. In most flocks of pigeons, there is at least one individual that will feed any squeaker that asks it, regardless of whether they're actually related to that squeaker or not. Those birds are what I like to call flock aunties and uncles. So between treat times and peep outings, that's basically the role that I've set for myself in this flock. That's why I have such a close relationship with everybody here. Oh no, did you get tangled in my hair? Oh no, here. Are you loose? Okay. I've gone into this in more details in Asks, but pigeons are capable of learning spoken language. As it turns out, by the same mechanic toddlers are, which is why I talk to them all the time. Well, we are past the 20-minute mark. So I'm probably going to go ahead and sign off for the day. In addition to our clients who are on the waiting list either for a therapy bird or a house pet, our adopters who specify that they want to open their home to a rescue, our subscribers here, our darling patrons on Patreon, the friends of our Facebook page, and our followers on Tumblr, Instagram, and Twitter. We are the Ramsey Loft on all platforms, by the way. I'd like to thank you for your contributions, both financial and intellectual. Without which this project would not be nearly as complex as it is. We cannot express how much we appreciate you. Also, if you have any topics you would like covered in a video, I would really appreciate comments or suggestions. I believe my email is in the description. If it isn't, I'll remedy that. Excuse me. YouTube flags some of these as for children, which disables comments. And in that event, I would like to be able to be reached, so I will be adding my email and phone number to these. Thank you, my loves. I will see you tomorrow.